So now we are going to look at the second part of the project that I've been working on, and this is the Amazing DevOps admin. So the admin section manages all the information that is generated, used, consumed by all the other sorry for that all the information that is used by all the other services. So, and we can start by logging in. So, and this is the landing page. So, and it constitutes of very many services that are done by that are managed by the admin, by the site administrator. So here we have the tutors. So you can manage them. You can register new tutors. You can activate their accounts. You can deactivate their accounts. And then for the enrollment part, in this section we see all the people who have registered for the different courses. So we can look for something. And then for the other part, we have the blogging. So this is where the blogs are created, and you can see the list of articles that you can see a list of articles that have been posted. This should be visible at the Amazing DevOps home site. And here we have 4 articles. Then you have the programs and courses. This shows a list of all the programs that have been registered with the site. So at the moment you have 4 of them. And then we go to the payment section. The payment section shows all the incomes that have been done, but all the payments that have been done by the students. So, and this is shown by year and month. We can see what courses a given student has registered for. Then for the reports, this is where all the reporting that needs to be done on the site is made. So we can get the enrollment by course, and then we can also see the year-on-year program enrollment. So this is by year. Right now we have 2023. If you had something like 2022, now that would be showing two years. So, and then we can go back to the home page. Now the homepage is designed to give various types of information, and in this case it's all the information that is generated in the site. And this here we can see the tutors, the number of tutors. We can see enrollment, student enrollment, the articles that have been created. Here we can see the programs. We can see the income. At the moment it's 800,000. So we can see the messages, we can see the notification. This is the landing page. And then at the bottom, we have a simple graph that shows how the enrollment has been done. This is by course and year. So we can see that so far we have 2 students who have enrolled for DevOps security, what is known as DevSecOps. So I think that's the correct name. And then at this point we can see international shipping. This has 3 students. And then we can come at modern architecture. This has 2 students. And then we can go to software development. This has a single student, and this is just another format to represent the data. Another format to represent the same data. So for the landing page, I've created it to represent all the important information in a way that is quick and that can be accessed in a fast way without opening other links. So now from the home page we can go to the tutors. So the tutors page, all the tutors section is used to manage all the tutor information. And then at this point you can register a new tutor, and all the information is shown. And to see the profile of each tutor, you can just click on his section, and you can see some information about the tutor. So this is just hand-coded since I've not made the tutor's application. So at this moment it's all hand-coded. And then you can see another tutor. You can see another one. So here we have his nationality, his email address, his phone. You can also start a conversation with him directly at this point. And then, so for this section, you can create a new tutor. You can deactivate the accounts. You can activate the accounts. You can delete the accounts. So this is the purpose of this page. So the next part we can look at is the enrollment. So the enrollment section provides us with a such and sort mechanism to view the enrollment of the students. This is based on the program itself, the year and the month, so in whatever way that you may want it to be. So here we can select modern architecture. You can select it to be 2023, a current year. You can select it to be the 8th month, so that has no data. You can select the 9th month. So here you can see we have 2 students who have enrolled for this course. You can also select another one. Let's see at DevOps security. So that has a single student. We can come at enterprise software management. That has no student. Modern architecture, database management, agile software development. That has no student at the moment. So in this section is that all the information about enrollment is displayed, and you can search by course, by the year, by the month, and all that information is provided here. And this provides the profile of the students. So we can go back and select something that has a student that has, so that way, and you can view the profile. This is just similar to that of the tutors. So the profile, so just similar. So and then now we can go to the blogging part. So the blogging part enables the site administrator to create new articles. So at this moment we have 4 articles that have been created, and these articles can be these 4 articles, or maybe whatever number of articles that have been posted should be seen, can be visible from our homepage, and then we can view all the articles from the homepage. So you can just open one article here and send. This article is about DevSec operations, so it's just a simple article. So information about it is shown there. You can select another one. You can view modern architecture. Then this also provides the same, and all this information is dynamic. So you create the article, we post it, and it's visible at this point. And you can go to hyper virtualization, very interesting topic. So you can view all that information there. You can also can view the 4th one. So, and then this is about IT on the move, so just about AI. So and on this page you can republish an article, so you can just pull it from the site, and it won't be visible by anyone who is accessing the homepage. We can also edit it. So if you want to update some items, you can go to that section. So that's the blogging part. And going back, I almost forgot, we can create a new article. This helps us to create a new article. So and also the next part, so by Samuel understanding AI, and then quick, can I just get some information? So not much information. Say this is a understanding AI. You can see AI, just whatever information you are posting. Then this is you need to upload an image. Select one from the pictures. There should be something in photos in this section. You can select this one. And then you can publish the article. Then coming back to the blogging, this should be visible at this point. So here we have our article. understanding AI. Understanding AI. So we can go to the next section. The next section is about programs and courses. So in this section you can see a list of all programs that have been created. So this is the place where you create a new program. So the program code, we have the program code, then you have the program name, then you have what is it about, and then here we have to upload a header image. So you can also go back. And now for the programs, here's a list of all the programs. You can open this one and see what it's about. So this section provides all the information about the course. You can edit, you can create new batches for each section. So if you want to add a course to this session, you can just come here, you can add it, you can add all the information that you want and submit it. We'll do that again. And then you can come to this section. If you want to update information about the course, you can do that. You can update the information. If you want to delete it, so you can also delete all the information about a given course. So this is all about the courses. It shows all the information about the programs, all the sessions, this has 3 sessions, and all the courses that have been added to that session. And you can delete the information or you can edit. So now going to the next section. The next section is about payments. This shows all the incomes that have been deposited into your Stripe accounts, maybe by month. So the 8th month, you can see on the 8th month of 2023, you can see all the people who have registered for new courses. We can go to the 9th one. So this has all the courses, the dates, the ID of the course, and the amounts that was paid for all those courses. And if you want to filter that information further, you can filter it by course, you can filter it by date, you can filter it by amount. So all the information that you want. So and now coming now to the reports. This section has been designed to help you visualize any important information on the site. And the most important at this time, maybe it's something like incomes, enrollment. So at this moment you have the enrollment, so by number, this is for the year 2023. And then the same part at the bottom here, this shows the total number of people for all the courses who have registered. And then so basically for the reports part, we have a lot that you can do at this point. We have very many types of reports that you can create. That depends on what you could need, what you want, what type of information you want displayed, what type of reports that you may want, that you may deem as important. That's the importance of this section, the report section. You can generate reports, you can print them, you can have them on paper, you can in any format that you want them. Now coming to the inbox, this is just the messaging section. You can see all the messages that we could have sent to anyone, maybe a professor, a tutor, or a student. So and this is just a chat like any other chat that we could have. Then now go to the last section is just about you can sign out, or you can even update your personal information, just whatever you want. But that's just the basic layout and architecture of the site. It's simple, but it has had a lot of work, because this is the section where this is the part where all information is updated, deleted, created, and so it has had a lot of work. So that's just the basic layout and architecture of the site. It's working how it should work, and that's just basically how it is at the moment. The courses, the programs and courses, the payments, the incomes, the reports, and all other important information. Thank you.